Thai Hom Mali rice cooked in a garlic ginger flavored coconut milk, tossed with toasted almonds and coconut. Time for a side dish shake-up. Rice is nice. And our nutty coconut rice is divine. We are absolutely in love with this fragrant, flavorful rice dish. Only 3 steps to make it, but I'm gonna kind of go forward and start at the very end. We're gonna begin by prepping the garnish. What? Let's go. Small skillet on stovetop, moderate high heat. When the skillet comes to temperature, we're adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened coconut. We're gonna toss it about in the pan until it toasts up a rich golden color. Wipe the skillet, then repeat, this time with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sliced almonds. Get them nice and toasty too. Now let's talk about the rice. Make this recipe with jasmine white scented rice. You'll need 2 cups for the recipe. We're gonna give the rice a good rinse in cold water, back and forth from a bowl to a sieve a few times. Garnish is ready, rice is rinsed. How about a foolproof way of cooking rice? Medium-sized pot on stove top, add 1 3/4 cup of coconut milk. That's a 14-ounce can plus 1 cup of water. Now we get to add a little bit of seasoning. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon Thai 7 spice blend, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and optional, a teaspoon of sugar. And if that wasn't enough, 2 more pops of flavor. I'm grating up a 1-inch knob of ginger plus 1 garlic clove. Add the ginger and garlic to the pot, stir to combine and bring to a boil. When it does come to a boil, we add the rinsed rice, stir it in, then reduce to simmer and cover. We're gonna cook the rice for 15 minutes. When we reach the 15 minutes, take the pot over to your work surface. Do not lift the lid, just leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Now at the 10-minute mark, some finishing touches. 2 forks to fluff the rice. You can see how light and fluffy it is. Next, sprinkle with the toasted almonds, add some toasted coconut, toss gently. We're gonna repeat. Toss a little bit more, add a little bit more of the almonds and coconut, and this dish is now ready to be enjoyed. We're transferring to a beautiful bowl. Last little garnish, some chopped cilantro, and if you have any handy, how about some chopped Thai basil too? This easy side dish recipe can be yours. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, take a picture of this rice dish when you make it. Post it using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Nutty coconut rice. Sure is some nutty coconutty niceness. Enjoy. What did I just say?